Nauubusan na rin ba kayo ng mga lugar na pwedeng puntahan with your family? Naku, tamang-tama. Pwede nyo i-consider itong water park na pinuntahan namin sa Cavite. So may beach, accommodation, plus water adventure na siguradong magugustuhan ng mga bagets. This water park is situated at Sitio Postema, Barangay Sahod Ulantan sa Cavite at may lawak itong 5 to 7 hectares. Meron din silang 8 swimming pool kasama na ang wave, infinity, themed, and slides. Marami din silang options per accommodation. Meron silang beach cottages, may room for small and big family. Meron din silang suite na may kasama ng jacuzzi. At dahil nag-book kami dito for the despedida of my sister, ang binook namin ay family room. Room rate starts at 2,000 pero it varies depende sa date and number of packs. Syempre kung weekend at mas marami kayo, mas mahal ang babayaran. Pero sulit na rin naman dahil kasama na yung entrance and breakfast. Pero kung gusto nyo ng day tour lang, pwede naman. 500 for the adult and 250 for the kids. Mas makakatipid kayo online kasi discounted. So better mag-book sa Agoda. Cottage rental starts at 1,200 up to 1,800. Depende sa laki. I feel safe naman sa lugar na to dahil napakaraming lifeguards. Minsan nga dalawa pa sa isang swimming pool. Yung walkway nila naka-grass carpet din kaya hindi madulas at kampante ako kapag naglalakad yung mga anak ko. Plus point din na courteous yung staff at mahigpit yung security. Iniisa-isa talaga nila lahat ng pumapasok. Meron din silang function halls for different events. And they also accommodate team buildings. By the way, wala silang indoor pool so kapag summer, mas okay kung pupunta kayo dito ng overnight. As for the food, they accept outside food. Kaya lang bawal ang glass bottles. So yes, pwede kayo magpa-deliver ng food, pwede kayo magbaon ng pagkain, pwede kayo magdala ng drinks. Kaya lang dapat in-can. And as a first timer here, masasabi ka namang maganda at babalikan ko pa. At kung may kasama kayong bata, mawiwili dito dahil si Hayo at Hiraya gusto pang bumalik sa summer. Kaya kung nag-iisip ka ng next family staycation nyo, naku, i-consider nyo dito. You can book on Agoda and use our discount code TRIPTYAGODA for up to 10% discount. At kung hindi pa kayo sigurado sa date, don't worry, meron silang book now, pay later option. No additional fees and free cancellation within the given period. Ang sulit na, diba? Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Book na! And for more budget-friendly family travels, don't forget to follow us. Bye-bye!